with temperature and gain from AAK hydronic valves. Chinese hydronic valve manufacturers, the number of exports in the past 2 years is slowly increasing, which seems to indicate that the quality of Chinese hydronic valves have been recognized. 10 years ago, almost all Chinese hydronic valves were supplied to domestic equipment manufacturers, but AAK began to make samples for hydrophores. AAK hydronic valves have indeed made a lot of progress in manufacturing R&D in recent years, especially the export of high-precision hydronic valves. According to the data of Nimble Customs, AAK hydronic valves account for more than 68%. The rapid growth of AAK hydronic valves is due to the ODM for big brands. The operation standard quality control process is even stricter than the ISO certification system. When we interact with any hydronic valve customers, we don't care much about the specific PO amount of a hydronic valve, but focus on the cooperation opportunities with them, the supply relationship of common destiny, especially the market respect. AAK hydronic valves have surpassed many peers in the market on research and development in recent years. But in market part, especially in the mature developed market, there is a weakness in the experience. Using AAK manufacturing and R&D capabilities, combining the customer's industry experience and business creativity to jointly build a hydronic supply chain system is our direction. It must be admitted that the thinking way of European and American people in many commercial parts is worthy of our reference and learning. Therefore, AAK hydronic valves expect to establish a business relationship of the community of shared future with real hydronic valve customers. Today, the new generation of hydronic valve practitioners in Europe and the United States has been separated from manufacturing for decades. Their difficulty is how to find a healthy, sustainable, guaranteed, and common fit hydronic valve supply chain, and effectively realize the actual commercial delivery. Perhaps China's small and medium-sized hydronic valve enterprises, European and American small and medium-sized hydronic valve enterprises will find a better combination of interests, and then jointly create new users, which may be a new trend of globalization in the future. COVID-19 impeded the development of globalization, but the globalization of hydronic valves cannot stop itself. The globalization of Chinese hydronic valve manufacturers will not stay only at the level of hydronic valve manufacturing and export. AAK is more concerned about how to make use of the favorable position of AAK hydronic valve manufacturing and R&D effectively, and then combine the local market business experience of developed countries to resort out and shape the innovative hydronic valve business model. For example, the software service module or platform of a hydronic valve supply chain system. If AAK use our hydronic valve manufacturing and R&D capabilities, and the customers use their own industry experience and business creativity, such a combination must be 1 + 1 greater than 2. Low plus do equals to get. 99% of people didn't get it in the end because they didn't do it at all. Why not AAK to do it? Here we are coming. AAK hydronic valves just change for you with temperature from AAK hydronic valves.